Hello, everybody, and I'm here, Osman1 right here. I might have my brother said play some games later. I know this is like the third video I'm putting up today. It's just because I finally found the screen recorder that actually works for my Chromebook. So I'm just been waiting for that. I don't know what this is. Stuff. Wait, what the heck is this? Is it like a nose pick or just kidding? Anyway, this is my Chromebook charger. I need you the most. If any of you guys seen that video where the Chinese guys are like talking and then they turn the camera over and then the guy's going like with his desk like I don't even know. This game isn't working, so let's try Mad Truck. If this game works, I'm gonna be amazed because there's no games out. Games so cool. What if they're not so cool games? So I don't want them to be so cool games. I want them to be boring games so they're entertainment. Just kidding. Cause I need you the most. Happy birthday to my brother. Happy birthday to my brother, y'all. And it's not really my brother's birthday. Oh, it finally worked. Finally, a game that actually works. Let's hit play. Oh, crap. What the heck? Play Hub. I need you. Play. Smoke. Play like a child. Yeah. New game. To my son. Mad Truck Challenge, August 1975. I'll do it for you, Dad. I can't get anything, so I'm just gonna race. Level 1, Equipped. That's probably not even what it says, but I'm just gonna call it Equipped. I need you. Okay. WASD. Okay, normal. Space jump. Okay, cool. WASD. VXR. Okay, let's race. One! Vroom vroom! Wanna go vroom vroom? No, let me vroom vroom. Go. WASD is to lean? What the heck? How do I go full? Oh, maybe it's because I was supposed to press W, not S and D. I mean A and D. Look at her bouncy car. I never come off the ground. Baby's alive. Mama? Woo! Yeah. Superman, that must be you. Backwards. No, I gotta go backwards now. Gonna jump over the sky. here we go. There's 2 people right there, I believe. So let's just nitro boost them. This is a crazy game. It's not really, it's just kind of like a 2-year-old game. But it's weird, so I'm playing it. For you guys, for the channel. Ooh, bounce. You guys see anything in the wood there? Tell me in the comments. Because my brothers might sneak in some. Oh my gosh, that was cray. I'm in first. Now I'm in second. And I started in last. Oh no, no, no. No, let me out. Let's go. I need you. No, front foot. Front flip, yo. I need you. I got 2 stars. Yay. Stunning bonus. I don't even get it. Head bounty. What the heck? This game scares me. Oh my god. I want starty count. Orange. Now I want a green. That's amazing. I want this. I like 200. I'm getting those. Or this. I'm a Kim Kardashian. So let's get into the. If I could have this and this. No, this. Or this and this. I'd be so happy. Race, y'all. Egypt. Oh, that's what it is. I'm supposed to do a different web. I'm so